back to Dream and Do It Travels. I'm Ryan.
I'm Erin, and we are on a little stay here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. We're staying in Jambo House.
This should be an awesome stay. Deluxe resort. This is the first for us. We've never been to Animal Kingdom Lodge, so we're really looking forward to this one. They do have this outdoor fire pit, and it's right next to the Savannah. This is located right outside of the lodge. This is the all glass that you see from the lobby. The detail that goes into this place is amazing. There's all these balconies. Different rooms have different views. This would be a Savannah view. But let's go see what we got. We are staying in room 4220. Let's go see the room.
Okay, so this is just a standard deluxe studio room with the 2 queen beds. When you first come in, you have your bathroom, double vanity. Then you also have your complimentary H2O products out here. You do get a little bit more when you stay deluxe. You have a separate room with your shower and your toilet. It's a nice size glass shower. They do of course have the H2O products in here and the sea marine. It's a nice big shower. Little ledge for your foot, that's nice. Got the rainfall shower head and like the detachable one. Plenty of towels. Some Lion King artwork here. And when you come out, you've got like your cabinetry here, your safe. I think that's a steam iron. Some extra blanket and pillow, place to hang some clothing in the bottom, and then like a full-size wardrobe on the other door. Just like nice hardwood, real cute decals, or not decals, details. And then you have like your little kitchenette type area, your ice bucket, your Keurig, and I'm going to zoom down underneath is your mini fridge. Yeah, so there's your mini fridge. And then in here you have some additional coffee cups, some coffee pods, creamer, so forth, your sweetener. And this is where we came in. You have a full-size mirror here on your sliding bathroom door. And again, more of that detailing on the wood. So then in the bedroom area, you've got 2 queen beds. You've got little lights on either side. Nightstand areas, you've got, looks like, USB plugs on either side. Got some nice music playing when we come in here. Yeah, so again, oh, this is how you control everything here. More plugs, more USBs, your phone, your nightstand. And then that side's just the same as the first. The headboards are really pretty and detailed. They're like backlit. I'll get to the view in just a second here. So there's a small dinette.
There's a nice sized TV in this room, right above the dresser. There's lots of storage space in here. Looks like these drawers are pretty decent. There's 3 of them on each side. And you got some more plugs. And there's this book here, and it's about the conservation. Disney does a lot of conservation work. I'm sure this is a interesting book to thumb through. It looks like it's a lot of pictures. But yeah, I'm interested to see what all is in this book.
All of the lighting fixtures are very nice. You can see how much light comes in from the balcony here. Now initially when we booked, we did book a water view, but I'm not sure if we got upgraded or if it's because there is this tiny little watering hole, but we do have a Savannah view. So when you come out here, you've got 2 chairs and a small little table. You can kind of see the other rooms here, but then you look out over the Savannah. Right now there's just like a little ostrich out here. It's really hot. It's the heat of the day right now, so we'll have to see what we can see in the morning, but I'm guessing just because this little watering hole is how we got this view, but I'll take it. We'll see what else emerges in the cooler temperatures. We will be here for a few nights, but I think I would prefer this over a noisy swimming pool view. So just coming back in from the other way, you can see that it's a nice sized room. There's a lot of details. There's some more artwork there, but it's a really nice room. After we've stayed here a night or 2 and shown you around the resort, we'll let you know what we think.
The ostrich sitting there on a nest. This is right from our balcony.
So we're just standing on our balcony right now, and we have this giraffe, I mean like right outside our balcony. He's just eating his dinner. Doesn't mind us being here at all. This is really cool.
So the ostriches have made a nest here. There is an egg that they're sitting on, and the other one is standing guard. So any animals that come around, it's probably gonna chase it off.
Zawadi Marketplace is the gift shop here at the resort. You could enter from the front of the building near the bus stops or off of the lobby. And you'll see here, like the other deluxe resorts, they do have a larger kind of grocery section. Nothing major, but where you can come and get some odds and ends. There's a freezer section, dairy section, a lot of beverages. But then they also have a lot of the other typical things, the Disney merchandise, clothing, and so forth. Near the entrance of the pool, you can find the resort map. You can see where the laundry, the arcade, the quick service, the pool, and everything's located.
So the pool bar is over here. This is a zero entry pool. This is a big pool. There's a slide across the pool. It like dumps off into the pool. It's pretty cool. There is a little kiddie pool area here. Just outside the kiddie pool, there are restrooms and lockers and a water fountain. They do have a kids club, Simba's Clubhouse, and it's a little activity center for the kiddos. The clubhouse is right next to guest laundry as well. The Mara is their quick service. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And this is where it's at, right here, which is right next to the pool, the arcade and all that. That's all right down in there. And there's this walk path, this walkway here that's sheltered, which leads you back to the main part of the hotel. Here's your food court. It's themed in here as well. Got a TV in the background there showing Mickey shorts. There's where you get your refillable mugs filled. And then this is your food court where you order your food. They do have mobile pickup here, so you can mobile order things. There's a little bit of variety of everything here. It's all cooked to order. Just so you know, you can get zebra domes in here, but I will try those and get my fill on the buffet at Boma. It's all kinds of treats. All right, well, we just finished up our stay here at Jambo House here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. I think this was a great resort. Get the Savannah view, splurge for the view, it's worth it.
Which we kind of lucked out. We did only upgrade to the water view, but because there was like a small watering hole, I guess that's why we got that view, but it basically was Savannah view, so that was really cool. I don't think we took advantage of the amenities like we should, just because we're so used to go when we're here, but we did enjoy the pool, so we'll show you that, and we did some dining here, so.
Yeah, this is a great resort for like a staycation. If you are looking to just slow down, chill, not do the Disney go, this is a resort for that.
And the room was a nice size, bigger than you're used to seeing on Disney property. A nice shower.
Bathroom was awesome. Yeah,
2 queen size beds, a large balcony. All of that was very nice. As far as the shower goes, it had the rainfall and then the separate, like the spigot, whatever it is.
Shower head.
Yeah, the shower head. That was nice because I don't prefer a rainfall shower, so it was nice having the option to switch back and forth. The beds were a little firm, but I think more comfortable than most Disney hotels. I think the only one more comfortable would be when we stayed at the Coronado Tower. That one was a little more comfortable, but...
Yeah, I was a little disappointed. I thought for a deluxe resort they would have had a more comfortable bed, but other than that, that would be probably my only complaint. The resort was clean, good service.
Yeah, real comfortable stay. I would recommend it. We did get quite a discount. They were running the summer Disney Visa discount, so I think we got our room like 30% off. So that was totally awesome to be able to take advantage of that.
Yeah, if you're a Visa holder, take advantage of those perks of Disney Visa.
Yeah.
Another nice perk is having restaurants in your hotel. We really enjoyed that.
Yeah, if you're used to staying
convenient.
value or moderate, you don't have that too much. A little bit in the moderate, but not a whole lot. So very nice, especially it's so hot. It's August, it's so hot. Just to be able to walk downstairs and have a meal excellent.
But definitely can't beat that view. This is a great resort, so if you're down here in this area, you want to check it out, we recommend it. But we're gonna wrap this up here. We're gonna say please like, comment, subscribe, ring that notification bell. We really do appreciate all the views we get. And just remember,
if you can dream it,
you can do it. See ya.